everyone, and happy Monday to all of you, and welcome back to Mental Picks. So, for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 40 deals, 34 coming from Amazon OA, and then 6 coming from our Amazon retail arbitrage leads. So, let's check some few of our deals today coming from ASOS. There you go. Let's start with this deal. A MAC lip pencil deal, which you could earn a profit of 10.40 with an ROI of 52%. There you go. And then this MAC Prep Prime Fix Mini Mac that you could earn a profit of 4.17 with an ROI of 38%. And last deal coming from ASOS, which you could earn 27.1 pound and then an ROI of 77% from this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. So check out all the rest of the items that we got here for you guys because we got great deals and finds for you. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these channels. Review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to get free extra money from us, feel free guys to check all the rest of these channels. Alright, so if you're into flipping, you should check out this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A channels wherein you can see all the latest deals and price drop from Amazon. Another bot operated channel that we got is this price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of these websites. So here, let's check this one from Argos, 50% price drop from Boots. We got a lot as well, 50%. So mostly, these are starting from 50% price drop. So check them out, guys. And lastly, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.